Let's explore the types of trains. From fast bullet trains to toy trains you can play with, let's explore the amazing railway vehicles that travel all around the world. Are you ready? Let's go!
This is a passenger train.
Can reverse directions quickly and without having to turn the entire train around. This is especially important in commuter operations where train sets are used for multiple trips each day. You can find out all about cab cars in the first episode of Train Talk. Most commuter trains.
This is a double-decker train. This is a subway train. This is a bullet train. This is a steam train. This is a cargo train. This is a metro train. This is a tram. This is a commuter train. This is the monorail. This is a funicular train. This is a high-speed train. This is a diesel train. This is an intercity train. This is an oil train. This is a light rail train. This is a tourist train. This is a snow plow train. This is a military train. This is a toy train.